join a little bit later and do not know what the TasteBuds subscription is, let me just fill you in really fast. This is a new thing that Pampered Chef started in October. So we got our October subscription, and now this is my November subscription. And what it is for, you can sign up month to month, or you can sign up for 3 months or 6 months. So I did a 3 month, I believe, is what I did. But I decided to do this. Hey, Alyssa. I decided to do this because I struggle with what am I going to cook for dinner, as I am sure you guys are the same way and probably struggle too. So Pampered Chef will provide you, it's like a surprise. You don't actually know what it is. So will provide you with 3 packets of seasonings. They're always going to be different, so that's a great way to try our seasonings. And then you get recipes to go with them, and that's the best part. And these are exclusive recipes. You can't find them online. They're just for those that are with the subscription. And then you also get a link to other recipes and some other little things. So without any farther ado, let's see what I got. Let's see. Okay. So I also like how nice and neat it comes packaged. So my first one is the herb and onion rub. I love the herb and onion rub, one of my favorite. Slow cooker seasoning. So I will do this in a pot roast. Stephanie, you know what? That's a great question. I think so. I think it does auto renewal, and you can cancel it at any time. So I paid for the 3 months up front, and then you can cancel it at any time. So we got the herb onion rub. Let's see what recipe goes with that. We got a pork roast. So herb onion pork roast. Doesn't that look tasty? Bet my family will love that. There you go. So it gives you all the ingredients that you need. It gives you some change ups. Hey Julia, how are you? Thanks for watching. It gives you change ups so you can change, make a variation of the same recipe, and then it gives you a chicken version instead of the pork if you don't eat pork. So it's all right here in this card, and you can easily take this with you to the grocery store, or I do online grocery ordering. You can just have this card and order what you need. And then there is a special website that you can go to as well. Now this herb and onion seasoning is good for about 3, maybe even 4. So it's not just one and done. So you get that. So anyway, that's the first thing. So pretty excited about that one. The next one, oh, is our Cinnamon Plus blend. I love our Cinnamon Plus blend. Cinnamon Plus blend. And it is out actually right now, currently, till the end of December. If you have not tried our 2 cinnamons, you need to get some. This is the time of year where you will be cooking a lot with cinnamon, and it is so good. And the recipe that goes with that is right up my alley, and I have a butternut squash in my pantry. It's called Roasted Butternut Squash Stew. Oh my gosh, that is right up my alley. I will be making this tomorrow for sure. So Susan says, what do I use the Cinnamon Plus for? Oh, I put it in my oatmeal. I just had it. Y'all don't laugh at me. I did eat oatmeal for lunch today. I love oatmeal. I could eat it all day. It's my favorite thing to eat. I know, it's crazy. Anyway, I put it in my oatmeal. It is great for pies. It's Cinnamon Plus, so let me read what the plus is. It is our Corinthian cinnamon with nutmeg, allspice, orange peel, cloves, and ginger, and it's gluten-free. So it's kind of like pumpkin pie spice, so you can use it for that as well. So, oh, I put it in my coffee. Man, it is some good stuff. So anyhow, and I'm going to be making a roasted butternut squash stew. I might actually go live tomorrow and make that because I have the squash. Oh, sounds so delicious. And it has quinoa in it. So it is a good and healthy recipe. Can't wait to make that. All right, and the next one, oh, this is an old favorite. The Rosemary Herb Rub. So, seasoning mix. And that is rosemary, herb, chicken and orzo. Oh, really, Stephanie? You just bought one for the first time? Girl, that is one of my favorite vegetables. I peel it with our serrated peeler. It'll peel super easy with the serrated peeler. And then I just cut it up, chunk it, and just roast it. I mean, that's the easiest thing. But I'm sure you saw my video where I did the stuffed butternut squash. So yummy. Look for that video. All right, so this is rosemary herb chicken orzo. And that looks delicious too. Can you see that? That looks good. And you know what? They also give us a vegetarian option. So you can use a head of cauliflower instead of the chicken. So that's pretty cool. That's right up my alley. So those are the three recipes that came with it. And then don't forget, you also get this other card. And here it gives you other ideas what to use your seasonings with. For an example, with the rosemary herb seasoning mix, you can do crispy herb potatoes. So that would be great. That would be great for Thanksgiving. Rosemary herb on some roasted potatoes. My family loves any kind of roasted vegetable. And it'd be really yummy. Easy artisan bread. Oh, rosemary on your bread. Yum! And sweet and savory brie. Oh, what a great appetizer, right? For the Cinnamon Plus, they give you some other, hey Tracy, they give you some other examples. A simple parfait. There you go, sounds great. A tasty topping. This is for, this says to sprinkle with some sugar on some waffles, buttered toast, apples, popcorn. Who would have thought to put it on popcorn? There you go. So mix some of the Cinnamon Plus with some sugar, sprinkle it on your popcorn. Yum. Coffee, whipped cream, and more. So there you go. Lots of ideas for the Cinnamon Plus. Or spiced sweets. Add 2 teaspoons to the batter of your favorite store-bought cake or brownie mix to spice up the batter. See, if we join now, would we get November's kit? Stephanie, good question. I will have to find out for you. I am thinking probably not. You'll probably sign up now and get December's, but I'll find out. And then some of the ideas for the herb and onion slow cooker seasoning. It says breakfast anytime. Whisk a tablespoon for every 6 eggs before cooking. Enjoy in frittatas, scrambles, and baked breakfast bakes. Good for gravy. Oh yes, the herb and onion slow cooker seasoning would be great for gravy. Could use that for my Thanksgiving meal. And easy mashed potatoes. So there you go. This is such a great thing to have. I am absolutely loving my TasteBuds subscription. So guys, if you're interested in getting a TasteBuds subscription or just reading up to find out a little bit more info about it, drop a note down below in the comments and I will send you a link so that you can read up all about what the TasteBuds is all about. You know, there's so many other food subscriptions out there, and this is just another version of that. It's just to make your life a little bit easier, and I'm all about making my life easier. Do I get an amen? Amen! We want an easier life, right? You don't want to have to stress over what's for dinner all the time. So this just helps with that. Alrighty guys, I appreciate you watching. Thanks so much. Again, please be sure to share and comment. If you haven't already liked my page, be sure to amen. Thanks, Susan. Be sure to like my page and head on over to YouTube as well and check out my videos there. Alrighty, y'all have a wonderful Monday night. Bye. Thanks for watching.